Suppose you want to borrow 20,000 US dollar for a new car. You can borrow 8% per year. It means you can borrow at 8%. It means at interest rate. It is the interest rate per year. Compounded monthly. Oh, this is important, right? This shows what the period is month. It's not year. If you take a 4-year loan, what your monthly payment is. So this is a case of annuity because it's the same, it's a car loan and it's the same payment every month for limited number of periods. As you remember, for annuity cases, it should be the same cash flow for limited number of periods. And here is a 4-year and it's paid monthly. So you can draw the timeline. It starts here. It goes to 48 months because 4 years. 4 years, each year 12 months means 48 months. And it's 8% per year interest rate, and you borrow $20,000 today. So the bank, for example, will pay you $20,000 today to buy the car, and then you need to pay back the bank over the next 48 months. And the interest rate, the bank will charge you with 8% per year. The first thing we noticed is it's compounded monthly. So the formula should be written per month. I mean, the period is month. So the formula for annuity is, as you remember, is present value of annuity is cash flow multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus R over N. This is the formula for annuity. Here we already have $20,000, which is the present value. And we want to find payments. We want to find the cash flow, the fixed cash flow. We don't know what is the monthly payment we need to pay. And then, okay, let me bring this up. And then here 1 minus 1 plus interest rate. What is the interest rate? 8%, but per year. As you remember, these formulas are per period, means R is interest rate per period, not per year. N is number of periods, not number of years. And here period is month. So interest rate should be interest rate per month. It's per year. So 8 should be divided by 12, and then we should write it in decimal points. So instead, I will first compute it. Okay, so the interest rate per is 8 divided by 12, and 8 divided by 12 is 0.666, okay, 7. So now this is the interest rate per month, right? Interest rate per month. So I need to write it in decimal point. So it's 0.0. So this 0.6 will be written like this, because you remember in the formula you need to write in decimal points. So this is 0.666%. So the percent means it's 0. You need to divide it by 100, right? 0.00667. So I wrote the same here. And here I rounded it to 667. Yeah, here is 6667. It's the same. Yeah, almost the same. So then the power is how many periods? 48 periods divided by 0.00667. And then you need to compute C, right? If you do the calculation, C will be 488.26 US dollar. Means every month you have to pay 488 US dollar for the next 48 months, and this means you can borrow $20,000 today. You may use the financial calculator as well For using the financial calculator, so we want to here find C, right? We want to find C. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parameters. We need to key in 3 of them to find the 4th one. So what are the 3 parameters we need to key in? Of course, one is PV. So in the financial calculator, there is a button called named PV. PV, you press, you need to key in for PV 20,000. And then for R, means interest rate, in the calculator, the button is labeled as I over Y, and you just need to key in percentage, right? So it's 0.667. No need to convert it into decimal point like this. So just write enter 0.667. Then for N, okay, I will write it here. N, you press N, and for N, it's 48. Okay, we already entered these 3, and then press CPT, then press PMT. PMT means payment, fixed payment, the fixed payment that you need to pay, the same cash flow that you need to pay. And if you do the calculation, you will get the same answer. So for more information about the financial calculator, refer to the video on financial calculator Texas Instrument BA2+.